Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today people are asked about Boeing Stock 2000 search in 4 hours in United States. Okay, let's see what's going on with Boeing Stock. When I enter to the Boeing and let's see the chart, you can see interest gains and here you can see the news. Boeing space business could be unstoppable in 2025. Let's enter inside of that and check out. Reject. Okay, I am rejecting. Okay, let's approve that. Allow ads and let's see. Boeing space business could be unsurvivable in 2025. It just need one thing to happen first. Here you can see. Let's read the information. By some measures, 2023 was the worst year ever for United launch aliens. Formed from the manager Boeing's Nice BA, looked Martin Nice LMT competing rocket business at the end of 2006. United Launch Alliance ULA quickly moved to dominate the business of space launch in the United States, launching a record 16 launches in 2009, yes. But just 1 year later, SpaceX arrived on the scene with its transformative Election 9 rocket. By 2015, Falcon 9 was competing with ULA for launches US national security missions. And when Falcon 9 version became reachable, lowering its cost per launch, SpaceX quickly stole ULA role as America's primary rocket launcher. Worse, with ULA in the process of pushing out both its alts V and Delta uh, 4, 5 and Delta 4 rockets in favor of replacement rocket called Vulcan. ULS launch cadence was destined to fall, destined to fall even future. You can press here and continue reading, but I will not spend too much on this. Boeing space business could be unstoppable. Let's see key points. Tori Burno, CEO of the Boeing um, Lockheed Martin joint venture United Launch Alliance experts to expects to receive national security certification for his Vulcan space rocket with the next few months. Certification is needed to begin launching military stealth for the US government. It's a key part of UL's plan to launch 20 to 30 rockets per year, and based the company on record set back in 29. Buy all alert. Our 10 best stocks to buy right now. See the list and hear more information about Boeing stock chart. I will check out Boeing stock chart. Here is lot of information provided. I will not spend much on this, but let's check it out. Our 10 best stocks to buy now. Okay, they want to enter your email and then okay, I don't need this advice. Thanks for advice. Maybe buying on the high, they are giving advice like that. Okay, now let's check out the Boeing stock price right now. The lower point was $137, and now in this moment is plus 30% already from this point. go back and let's see the another news. This is the same news. Here the same news in Yahoo Finance also there is it included here. I will not read at the moment already because the similar thing here Origin getting the engine ready by its own development issues and by COVID. ULS Vulcan Center rocket finally made its first launch in early 24. I don't know why COVID here included. I don't know. You can read for more information. I can check out also this stock. Notes. Note Group Grumman. Maybe this is also stock that may buy. Okay, I will check out later. And here news about yesterday. Boeing space business could experience uh, liftoff in 2025. Elon Musk predicts a potential turnaround after he said the pure CEO had no idea how airplanes or rockets worked. Here, Boeing Stock. Boeing has one trick up its sleeve that could help its stock blast off in 2025. The mostly full reports that there is scientific investor in- intrigue surrounding the company's space program after its Road 2024. Okay, guys, here. Related content. The CEO Boeing and United Airlines had productive launch date. Elon Musk space mission Boeing big order. Disney new streaming plan business new roadmap. Anyways, I will left the link and you can check out in the link of source. I will check out this stock also shortly. But now let's analyze Boeing stock and let's see. Let's see the chart in weekly time frame at the moment. Let's see the finances of Boeing stock. If I look globally, the Boeing stock from this point can gain to 146%. If you buy now, you may earn around plus 50% minimum, I think, or even 147%. Let's keep in mind that you missed this point. You missed this entry point already. If you enter to the $140, you could earn 93% in this point and around 200% in this point. It means 3x, 3 times gain. Okay, guys. Okay. If we look the full story, let's open the monthly time frame and let's see the whole story about this stock. You could see Boeing stock launched in 1968 and it continued grow slowly and slowly, pretty slowly grow. And let's see, the stock was been dividend payment stock, but now they are not paying dividend. Uh, Finances here you can see this is annual one. No, this is quarterly, sorry. And annual one is revenue around like this. I will enter to more detailed information. Here is grid because already plus 30% uh, and analysis rating are saying buy. I'm not buying this stock anyways because already plus 30% and I'm buying instead of stocks that has higher potential than Boeing. Boeing slowly stock Boeing. So you can see market cap is $135 billion. So let's see who is CEO. The website Boeing.com. You can enter and check it out. The website. Uh, you can see Boeing company. It's aerospace company. And go down here. Ownership is 99% free floating point and close headly shares 0.14%. market cap is $135 billion, debt is $57 billion. You can see here is revenue $73 billion and net income $8 billion. And so you can see a performance I am sure already here. This is annual on going down here. Let's see by income sources. Here is global services 24%, uh, defense, space and security 32%, commercial airplanes 43%. By country, which country it support, you can see Asia, Europe, United States, Canada, Latin America, certain Caribbean and other, uh, Oceania also. Here is Middle East, Asia already talked about. So let's see, here is they are not paying dividend. Starting 2021, they didn't pay dividend. They have a high debt level. This stock, you can see annual one debt level. They decreased the debt. In quarterly, they increased the debt. Again, here financial position by analysis. What else to show you? Here is earnings in quarterly, annual one earnings here. You can check out, you can pause my video and check out every time. Revenue, you can pause when you want. I'm quickly to show you something again. Let's see the dividends. They start to pay dividend in 2019 and stop paying dividend in 2021. About earnings, here are earnings. You can see here quarterly earning. Let's see annual earning here. What else here? Let's see the revenue here. At the moment they didn't provide information 2017, 2018. You can see 2019 about revenues. So okay, so how much you could earn if you buy now? You could earn plus 50%. If that's enough for you, then you can buy. You can see here I'm showing the fair and grid index in one day, but let's check out weekly one, again grid, and let's check out the one monthly one. It's natural, and here is sell. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you think my video is helpful for you, then don't forget to like my video, share with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also I have a Telegram channel about investing in crypto and stock market. More provided information, more detailed, and I make also podcast in my Telegram channel. You can join, link will be down below, and you can check out my other videos of stock analysis if you are really interested, what to buy for example, or what to sell. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.